Hello! In this video, we will show you what to do if coffee does not flow out of your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Eclipse. When you hear the sound of the pump, but no coffee comes out, the power button blinks red and green. Check the water tank. If there is no water, fill it. Try to gently remove the capsule holder. If you cannot remove it, wait for about 20 minutes before trying again. If it still can't be removed, visit the Nescafé Dolce Gusto website to contact us. Try using the machine without a capsule. Remove the capsule holder and throw away the capsule. If water flows, it shows that the capsule was faulty. Just use a different one. Check the water injector. Eclipse has an unblocking tool that you'll find in the slot behind the water tank. Inside the unblocking tool, you will find a sharp little pin. Switch off the machine and unplug it. Remove the capsule holder. Push the unblocking tool over the water injector. Turn it anti-clockwise. Pull out the unblocking tool with the water injector attached to it. Separate the water injector from the unblocking tool. Insert the cleaning needle into both sides of the water injector to unclog it. Now, descale the water injector to eliminate any residue. You can buy the Nescafé Dolce Gusto Durgal Descaling Kit on our web shop. Pour the full bottle of descaling solution into 500 milliliters of drinking water. Pour some of the mixture into a little bowl. Leave the water injector to soak in the descaling solution to help dissolve any lime scale, and if needed, try unclogging it again. Use the descaling fluid to descale your Eclipse. You can proceed without the water injector. Take a look at our video, How to Descale Your Eclipse. Reposition the water injector in the machine. Holding the water injector with your hand, turn it clockwise until it fits. Replace the unblocking tool in its slot and reinsert the water tank in the machine. Reinsert the capsule holder. Plug in the machine and switch it on. If the water flows, the problem is fixed. If not, visit the Nescafé Dolce Gusto website to contact us. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Eclipse.